Hello folks, and welcome once again to Blackjack Motorcars, LLC. Located in Brandon, right near the intersection of Florida Highway 60 and Interstate 75. Our number is 813-340-0918. We work by appointment, so whenever you see anything on this website or an inventory you'd like to see, give us a call, and we'll make it a range of time that's convenient for you to come and see it. Today I want to show you another special hand-picked truck here at Blackjack. This is a 2000 Dodge Ram 2500. Of course, it's got the unbeatable 5.9 Cummins 24 valve engine, one of the best engines ever put in a truck. Automatic transmission. The best thing, folks, this truck's 20 years old. It's got 91,000 miles. This truck was used to tow the family's RV. When it wasn't doing that, it was sitting in a garage. This truck has the original paint all over it. No accidents, no body work. There's a couple small little dings in the body that we'll show you here if we can. Brand new Michelin tires. These aren't cheap, folks, and they're brand new. Nice aluminum rims. You'll see there's a couple door dings right here. This has the towable mirrors. They slide out. You can see around the back of a wide trailer if you got a trailer hooked up. An extended cab with a back seat. You can seat 4, although 2 might be a little tight. Look at folks. Look in the wheel well here. Look at the frame on this truck. Never any rust. Truck was bought new in mid-Georgia, then came to Florida. Always been a southern truck. Has a sliding rear window. It has the rails for a 5th wheel hitch. We have the hitch available if you'd like it, no charge. It's a sliding hitch too that moves back and forth, because this is a short bed truck. You have your Reese hitch and plugs in the back, and you can see right here, here's the tag from the original selling dealer here in Warner Robins, Georgia. Folks, I can't tell you how nice a truck this is. You need to come and see it. Now, you can go down to your Dodge dealership and spend $50,000, $60,000 for a diesel truck. You can have this one for a lot less. Let's take a quick look at the interior here. It's the SLT, which was the top of the line in 2000. Nice cloth interior, no damage, no rips, no stains. You've got the seat in the front. You have your seat in the back. This here, if you need to put someone else in the front, it flips up so you can seat 3 across the front. Has an AM, FM, cassette radio. Yes, folks, this is a 2000. No CDs yet. Ice cold air. Has your trailer brake controller if you need that for a heavy trailer. Like I said, I just can't say enough things about this truck. It's absolutely gorgeous. So give us a call, 813-340-0918, Blackjack Motorcars. Come down and see this baby. And as we always say at Blackjack Motorcars, come see us. You'll never go bust. Have a great day, folks, and thanks for watching.